Okay, here we have it. We have Kisses and Ernie chasing each other. And Kisses is...
Kisses stirring up trouble.
Yes,
Yeah,
as usual.
She wants Ernie to chase her.
I'm going to put this on YouTube.
Really, Oscar wants to be in the movie. He's posing.
Hey, Oscar, come on. Go play with them. Go play. Want to be in the movie? Go play with them, honey. Okay, you're already in it.
Oscar's a ham. I want to stay in there and look at it.
Yeah, I see the camera. Like Kimmy.
Like Kimmy, yeah.
Kimmy's like, let me see.
Let me see.
Well, you can't see if I'm taking your picture.
Okay, there you go. You're in the video, Oscar. Yeah, you're in the video.
Kimmy, finish up your milk, baby. Or she's away at work.
What should I do with this since I'm full? I can't finish it. The milk.
Ask Daddy if he wants some milk. Sometimes he likes
You want milk? It's still cold. Well, what you waiting for? Go play. Go play, Kisses. Go play.
Kisses, go play with Ernie.
Play with Ernie. Should I toss balls around? What do I gotta do? I want to post playing dogs on YouTube.
That.
You got them. How much
Maybe like I'm started up.
I don't know. I'm just like...
You don't.
How you big Ernie?
Take up all the space on my camera, Kimmy.
I'm not...
You
Oh, wait.
You keep her and everything.
All you gotta do is delete some videos and stuff.
We'll make sure you delete some then.
Okay.
This makes a cute whimper. You eating apple jazz? Oh, you like it. Hey, my Ernie. Hey, my
This
Oscar.
little bitty, that's kind of cereal I used to eat.
Don't want to be in the middle of this.
Oscar, my master. My master.
Hi.
Say hi, Oscar. Say hi. Ernie, where you going?
Okay, I guess that's it.